How to fix BPI app transaction failed over-the-counter fix. Now, BPI stands for Bank of the Philippine Islands, and if the transaction is failing on this app, first of all, a transaction failure on the BPI app often requires resolving an issue with your account that you're facing on your app's security settings. If the standard troubleshooting does not work, an over-the-counter visit is the official way to resolve complex problems, disputes, or account-specific errors. Over-the-counter basically means you just go to the nearest BPI branch near your area, and then you'll be able to just ask the customer service over there to help resolve any issues that you're facing. But aside from that, you also want to check if there are some insufficient balance within your account as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.